Hi, I'm Jacqui, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own green sheep to go with the story, Where is the Green Sheep? It's going to look something a bit like this. And you can either choose to put your fingers through here for the legs, or if you want to, you can use icicle sticks. Right, you're going to need a few basic things to make this craft. The first thing you're going to need is half a paper plate. This is going to be the body of your sheep. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need some green paper. I used a piece of card. You just use green paper if you wanted to. You don't even have to use green if you don't want to. This is for the face. Some tissue paper. You don't have to use tissue paper if you don't want to, but this makes excellent sheep wool. You can also use yarn, or you can use even crepe paper. I've got hole punch to help punch some holes for the feet, a pencil, some glue. I'm using PVA glue, but you could just use a glue stick if you wanted to, and a piece of white paper for the sheep's eyes. First thing you're going to want to do is cut your paper plate in half, like so. I've also cut the ends off so the sheep has a bit more of a rounded body, so he doesn't look quite so paper plate shaped, like so. Next, what you're going to want to do is punch if you decide to use your fingers for the little sheep's feet, you're going to want to punch 2 holes in the bottom so you can stick your fingers through. Now, because my fingers are a bit bigger than the hole punch, I went ahead and used scissors to make the holes at the bottom of mine a bit bigger. They're not perfectly round, but they're good enough for me. I can stick my fingers through, and they're the little legs of the sheep. All right, next what you're going to want to do is you can pre-tear your tissue paper or crepe paper before you scrunch it up, but I'm going to do it as I go. So tear up a piece of tissue paper, scrunch it up, get your paper plate, smear a lot of glue all over it, and start sticking, ripping and sticking. And it's a good idea if you stick some of your tissue paper over the edge of your sheep so it covers the edge of the plate, so it looks a bit more woolly. Once you've finished that, you should end up with something like that. Next, what you're going to want to do is take your piece of card and you want to draw a sheep's face on it. And how you draw that is completely up to you. But you want to do it nice and big so that it's not lost in amongst the sheep wool tissue paper. And don't forget to give your sheep some ears. And there's my sheep's face. Cut him out. Face. Then what you're going to want to do with the white paper is cut out 2 little eyes, and then what I've done is I've gone around it with a flat pencil to accentuate the eyes, and I've added a mouth and a nose. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to glue that onto your sheep. You need to put lots of glue on it so it sticks to your tissue paper. Don't worry if you get some of the glue stuck on the front of his face, it will dry clear, so you won't be able to see it. Give it a good firm press so that the sheep's face will stick to the tissue paper. And there you have it. There is our little green sheep. I'd love to see what you've made, so leave a comment below and tell us what you think of this. Thank you.